Indeed, Hollow, 320, taking on Darren, Black Stallion. That comes a looker.
1 second.
I take it.
It's like 90 to 100.
All right, got a 2.6 truck and a 2.2 truck going up against each other. Black Stallion versus Great Digger. Drivers ready.
Yeah.
Diggers ready. Watch the lights. And we can start with the trucks. All right, Digger, get a little out ahead and get the ramp. Ooh, looks like Digger's going to get out ahead. Even with the penalty, he's still going to get the win. All right, drivers ready. Cameras ready. Watch the light. All right, big even start for the trucks. There goes out there a little bit ahead. Oh no, he won't it. Oh no. Now he's got to finish. Now he's got to finish. Stay through, Oliver. There we go. Nice to go. There we go. Whoa. Don't roll. Double roll. Double roll over the relay. All right. You guys good to go again? Drivers ready, cameras ready. Watch the light. All of them go again. All right. All the rolls it again. Oh man. Penalties everywhere. You guys. You guys. You guys. Yeesh. If you do it again, just rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins goes on.
Change lane this time?
Yeah, I'll change lanes. Wait, I'm going to do it.
It's all good. You see it happen. Number 3. All right, race number 3. Zombie versus Barefoot. Drivers ready? Cameras ready. Watch the light. All right, we're off. Barefoot, you can lose jump. Remember, guys, move as fast out here. 2,000, yeah. Double man double. Oh, Oliver touching the truck. That's a penalty there. All right, we're going to go and let Oliver move on.
All right, big foot. First off the call. Drivers ready. Cameras ready. Watch the light. Calm bouncy out there.
I got you, Will. There you go. All right. Let's do some social media shots. All right, drivers ready, cameras ready. Watch the light. As we can start with the two trucks. Watch the throw out with a little bit of the lead. Watch the big speed out there. Watch the picture over and watch the control being on. Watch the control. Alright, next because we're done on the track. Cameras still rolling.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, Sinister Camaro versus Great Digger 20. Drivers ready. Cameras ready. Watch the light. Even start, we start to put it together. Sinister Camaro. Double roll. Re-race. Re-race. Drivers ready. Cameras ready. Watch the light. Leader with the truck. We're going to make the leader with the truck. That's pretty even. Oh, Lord, that's the truck. Great Digger 20. Get through. Great Digger 20.
Yeah, that's not bad run. Practice time.
Not a bad run, but that Camaro rolling. Pretty damn good. All right, hop on next truck out. The Forster truck taking on Oliver with the zombies. All right, final race of round 2. Hopper with Forster truck taking on Oliver and zombies. zombie. Cameras ready? Drivers ready. Watch the light. I will do your thing. And we got ready to watch the zombie. Moving on.
So shit, it's probably just a little loose there.
Oh yeah.
Quarter turn less.
Alright, drivers ready.
Yeah.
Watch the light.
Good, that's the stuff out there.
For the win, and Marco takes out the ball.
Yeah, you broke an axle there, Hubba.
Is that?
Yeah, you smashed an axle.
All right. Semi-final number 2. Winner we toss the song in the final. Fortress Truck versus Market Control. The battle of black and green once again. Cameras rolling. Cameras rolling. Drivers ready. Watch the light. All right. Good jump to Market Control. Got a really on the Fortress Truck right now. Look at Market Control. Going to the final. Awesome call. Bill Arnold versus Troy Holland. Awesome call, Market Control.
Alright, battle of the Snoot Nose. We got Black and Green versus Monster Orange, aka Awesome Kong. Drivers ready, cameras ready, watch the light. Finals, a sport mod class. Coming at you. Oh man, we got a penalty. We got Troy's gonna take the win over Monster Control for the sport mod final.
All right, Troy, you took the sport class win today. How you feeling? Awesome Kong, did well for you.
Yeah, old Awesome Kong. This is one of my oldest solid axle trucks. It's pretty much just it's decked out with a 17-turn motor. It's all legal for Trigger Kings Racing Series, but it doubles in our series for sport mod as well. Does excellent. It's really consistent, not overly fast, but smooth as dialed on this track today.
Yeah, definitely took the win today. We really appreciate you for putting these events on for us, man. It's been a blast this season, and we hope to see you again next year.
Awesome, dude. Thanks a lot for the support. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, thank you.